Look at us, we're flying along.
Beautiful weather.
Fantastic. Must be getting close to Victoria. So we decided to stay in the motel last night because it was pissing down. So we got there for a couple of nights.
Thank God.
And now we're at the zoo. It's a great raincoat. Reminds us. Oh no, that's Eastern Liquid. That's why they're so good. And there's the alarm. We've got to get the car back. Otherwise we don't get caught on our phone. I'll turn around and I'll show you what we're looking at. Through the flood and up to our cars. Take the bus back.
Well, we're going to go back down.
Do you?
Oh, over there.
Do some donuts.
Didn't they say you've got to go to the...
Up this way, you reckon?
Where the orange things are?
I'm going. Right here, this is the way out. Where are you taking me, Olga?
I don't know. No, here, what's on the right?
Well, that's the way out, man. Olga's taking us the wrong way. She's taking us out. Giving you, Olga. We're going to take the cars back that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, yeah. We've got to get there. Let's take the car over there. What's that? Oh, is that your feet cold?
Wet.
Olga's feet are soaked. Oh, this is a good tour. Look at that tour. What was that one?
That's the Lions one.
Ah, that would have been good. Right, come on up to the parking, so I better get off me, off the phone. Park up. There's the beast over there. Alright, see you later.